Question number 2b, we want to find the derivative. And so it would be better to separate this, as I mentioned in the last video, and I can do it in 2 steps. So I'm going to separate the fraction part with the variable fraction part, because so many of you, and I mentioned this before in class, do not do it, wanted to bring the numbers up as well. Do not do it, do not do it. And so in other words, this actually becomes s to the negative 3 when that comes up top, and the 4 is still on the bottom. And then minus 6s to the negative 4, because we're going to bring that to the top, with the 5 still on the bottom. And now I'm ready to take the derivative and use the power rule. But many students did this. Well, let's say from here, they did this, and that is completely incorrect. So be careful with these, and that's why I think it's easiest to separate the fractions. So now I bring down my power. So I end up with negative 3s, I subtract 1, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4 over 4. I'm going to bring down the negative 4, so negative and a negative is going to be a positive. 4 times that 6, 24, subtract 1, and then over 5. And I actually took this answer was fine, but if you wanted to move your exponents back down to the bottom, you could do it like this. But again, my biggest note on this one is that many students wanted to bring the number to the top, and this is why it's just a good idea to separate fractions, so you can see that the fraction part is just the constant out front, and you're just taking the derivative of the part with your variable.